They're here because of you.
What if everyone forgot who I was?
What?
They're coming here because of me, right? Because I'm Peter Parker? So cast a new spell. But this time make everyone forget who Peter Parker is. Make everyone forget me.
No.
But it would work, right?
Yeah, it would work. You've got to understand, that would mean that everyone who knows and loves you, we'd have no memory of you.
You're gonna forget who I am.
What?
Okay, what are you talking about? It's okay. I'm gonna come and find you, and I'll explain everything. Hi, my name is Peter Parker, and I